Okay guys, today we'll be learning on how to design a school logo, and a very simple one. This school logo will be a round shape that is in a cycle format. So we'll just make the shape, and if you want to design a school logo, you have to download either a book or some icons for the logo. So I've already downloaded one, so I will just import it. Let me import it so that you see it. This is it here. This is the one of this is a book with star. So this, and is a PNG format, a PNG file. If you want to download it, you can just search it on Google Books PNG format. You see something like this, so you can download it. PNG format does not have any background, so once you see it, you can just download it. So I'll just click OK. So this is it. I'll just use this for now. Then let me put up a shape, a round shape. I told you the logo shape will be round. So this is the shape I need. Now I'll position the shape at the center using this relative position. You can see it here. After position, you see relative position. So you click on it, you click this and this. This will make the shape to be at the center, the cycle. So you just lock the shape. This is the shape. You lock it, then you delete this other text. Bring this logo to the front, in front of the shape. So you click on the logo, you position it at the center, clicking here and here. So you can see it's positioned at the center. So you can as well increase the logo. Let's make it 30. That's increasing the size. You position it back at the center. So you can see. Then the cycle, you lock the logo, go back to the cycle. The cycle is 50 in size, but you can as well reduce it to 45. Let's use 45. Then I will duplicate the cycle. This is duplicating the cycle, you can see. Then I will increase it again, more than the former size. Let's make this one 60. Then position it at the center. You can see it's covering the book and the other cycle. So what you just do, you check here. This is object setting, where you see to front, to back. Just click to back, and it has gone to the back. And you can see, because the other small cycle is white as well, you cannot differentiate both of them because you are just seeing the big size. So what you just do, you lock the big size, and this is the small size. You highlight it and put a stroke. You add stroke. When you add stroke, you change the color of the stroke, because the stroke is still white color. You change the color to black. You can see now you can differentiate the two cycles. Then you can now increase the stroke. Let's say 8, or okay, let's use 8 or 6. So this is the shape. You can see. Then now, adding the school name is another thing. You can as well add stroke too. Let's increase this to 70. This is the side. Position it at the center using relative position. Then you add stroke, because why I added the stroke, because I know that this background, I will change the background to white background. So it would then 60. Then now this is it. So the next thing to add is the text. The text, that means the school name. So let's say, okay, let's use Gosimpi International School. So just add text. Here, this A here, which is the second icon, is to add text or to edit text. So you click on this plus button. So you click on this plus button. You click on the plus button here. You can see new text on top here. Then you just click edit, and let's say Godson P. Godson P International School. Then you capitalize everything. Okay, you can see. Then you have to change the text font. The font is not okay, so you have to change the text font. So I want to use Meme font. This is Meme. There's other fonts that you can use. There are other fonts that you can use. This one is there, so I just want to use the Meme font. So you click OK. You can see Godson P International School. So you just change the color of the text. If you want it to be black, you can still change it to be black. Then what you do, because this text, I want this text to curve inside the big circle. That is the large circle, not the smaller one where the small logo is. It's the large circle. I want it to curve inside. So I will just, you come to this place, you see curve. After the font, you see this style, and the next thing is curve. So you curve it this way. You can see the curving. You see how it's curved. Then you can as well, but you have to edit it for it to be perfect. So you just increase the size, make it 40. While curving, you should try position at the center. I think this is okay. This is okay. Take it out. This is okay. You lock the text. Then because of this, you have to reduce the big size, the bigger cycle. That's what I mean. You reduce it, let's say 65, and you position it at the center. Yes, you can see the shape now. It's giving the name of the school a good format, and the logo coming out to be good. So with this is the name of the school being at the top. Then the down part is empty. What you have to put at the down part is the school slogan or the school motto. So any of them, you can just decide to put it, curve it at the down part. So what you just do, just duplicate the school name. Duplicate it. What you just do, edit, and let's say the school logo should be, or the school slogan, I mean to say, should be achieving excellence together. Let's say that's the school slogan. So you capitalize it. What you just do, this curve is for the top. Then you have to go back to the curve setting and take it this other way. Then you position it at the center. You can see. Then take it up. You see, achieving excellence together. Now if you watch, the slogan is kind of bigger than the school name, so you just have to reduce the slogan a little bit in order to make it the same size with the logo. Then take it down. So I think this is better. You can as well add spacing You add spacing to the slogan. This is too much, the spacing is too much. Reduce it. Instead of adding spacing, you leave it this way. Bring it down. So then you lock this one, and the screw too, you take the screw up. It will be what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create a space between them because I have to put an icon there. So take it down again. Just take it down. Now you can see, so there is a space between them. So in that space now, either you put a star there or a kind of a dot, just in form of circle. So you can just go to the shapes setting or object, you click on shapes. Once you click on shapes, you edit the shape and pick this circle. You can see, just change the color. Look at this, is a place where you can change cycle color. When you enable the color, you can make it black as well. So depending on the color you want to use, I'm just using black as an example. So you reduce the size, then you position it, just pick it this way. Now let's use the size. Now you can see that's what is separating the school name and the school logo. Now you duplicate the shape, lock this other one, duplicate the shape, and position it this other way. So actually, this is the logo. Just very simple. So you can also add like abbreviation, the Gosimpe International School. You can just decide to add an abbreviation this way. Just say GIP. Capitalize it. Okay, then remove the curve. Now you have to disable the curve. This is it. So position at the center below the logo. Increase the size very well. Increase the size very well. So use 90. Okay, reduce it to 10. 80 should be okay. What you just do, space here, you require spacing. Just space it this way. Still position it at the center. I think the size is too big, so you can as well reduce. I think 70 is perfect. It's perfect. So this is it. You lock that. So just adjust this a little bit. You can see, very simple. Now I want to change the background to white. Now this is our logo, our school logo. Very simple. Very simple. We got Simpe International School motto, achieving excellence together. So looking at the thing, they are too close. Looking at both names. So you can as well reduce the Gosimpe name too. Just have to edit it the way you want. Edit it the way you want. Let's add spacing and see. let me position at the center. This is not working out, so you just undo it by clicking this back arrow. So this is very okay. Just a very simple logo, very simple logo. So with this, you have designed a school logo. In case you feel like to add a kind of shadow, if you want to add shadow to this, no, the shadow will not be okay. So this is just a very simple logo design, school logo design, just very simple. So you can just design this kind of logo. Just, you can as well, it's not a must that you use book. You can just download your own perfect icon. You can just download your own perfect icon that you want to use, just in place of this book and the star that you are seeing. So it's not a must that you use. So depending on the school you want to design for, sometimes you can download the graduation cap, the icon, and use it there. So this is very simple. So you can just save this as project. It's a school logo, school logo. Then you save as image. Remember, when saving as image, use Ultra and save. When saving as image, then you export, you save to gallery. So that's all about school logo design. A very simple. So this is very simple, very simple, just like that. So thank you for watching. God bless you. I wish you good luck, and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.